Security issues have limited corporate use of the internet cloud. That's about to change.
It's about how the use of the cloud basically requires these enterprises to give over control of this data to a third party, in this situation, the cloud service provider. So when you give that control to another party, there's a whole bunch of compliance and/or regulatory issues that often appear that enterprises need to deal with. And that's where technologies like encryption and tokenization can play an important role in allowing cloud adoption for this next phase of cloud use, as we discussed. But now as you start to think about being able to provide customer support or services on medical devices or healthcare information or financial data that's sensitive, that's the next evolution of where the cloud could have an impact if the privacy and security concerns of the data can be addressed. Each sector will have their own compliance requirements, whether it be healthcare with HIPAA, in retail we see PCI, in financial services Gramm-Leach-Bliley. I can bore you with a long list, but there's those sort of requirements. Then we also see certain countries, such as Switzerland, Germany, and others, have these new and emerging data sovereignty requirements that require you to keep data inside of a certain border. And then often in business-to-business contracts, you'll see certain requirements about how data must be treated. So these are the sorts of things where encryption or tokenization, because they allow the company to basically obscure or replace the data with a meaningless value, it allows the organizations to use these cloud applications and stay compliant with the appropriate requirements.